Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can adjust your screen brightness in Windows 11. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So right now here you can see we are on the desktop screen right now. And in here you can see this is the Wi-Fi icon and this is the volume icon and this is currently the battery icon. And if you click on this option, here you can see this pop up and in here you can see this is the brightness adjustment and you can adjust it however you want by simply just dragging this like this. So if the brightness adjustment is not there, you can also use the another method. So for which you have to go to your settings. You can simply just click on the settings icon that you can see right here. And just like this, your settings will be opened. But if you don't see such settings in here, you can do another thing. So the another thing is here, you can see the Windows icon right here. You can simply just click on it. Then in here, you will be definitely seeing the settings option right here. If you still don't see a settings option right here, you can click on the search bar and then start typing settings. After you have typed that down, you will be definitely able to see the settings option and in here you can click on the option open right here and then your settings will be open. So after opening your settings, what you're going to do is click on this system option that you can see on the left side right here. After clicking the system option, then you can see the option of display. Click on it. And after clicking on display, here you can see there is the brightness adjustment right there. You can simply just drag your brightness adjustment like this and simply adjust it however you want. And you can also see the option of changing your brightness based on content. If you just click on this arrow right here, you'll be able to change your brightness according to the content. So in here, you can simply just click on this button right here and then you can see there are 3 different options from which you can choose according to your liking. And just like this, you will be able to adjust your screen brightness on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.